see the run with your bitch. Butterfly doors on the bench. Running through bands, I'm rich. Everything president tense. I'm on ocean.
Yo, what is good, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. So for today, I'm gonna do a video real quick. I'm gonna be installing the RTR hood vents. I had the stock hood vents, but I took them off to wrap them, and those shits flew off on the freeway because I guess I might have not tightened them too good or something. But yeah, I just picked up the RTR ones. So yeah, let me open them up and show you guys what they look like. Here they are, the RTR vents. It's a matte black finish, and it looks like they have a little bit more holes than the stock ones. But yeah, it's the whole thing. Mine, this part, just this top cover part, flew off. I still have this and the bottom piece, but just wanted to replace the whole thing. So hopefully these don't fly off. This part here sticks up a little higher than the stock ones. Should look pretty nice. Got the other one right in here. And then it came with the instructions as well. It's pretty straightforward. You just remove the tabs underneath the hood, and then you just unscrew the 4 little bolts holding them. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that real quick so I could go to the gym, pop the hood. See, this is what mine look like right now because that part flew off. I think I might have broken these little tabs here. So we're gonna remove those to get to the screws there. Alright, so once you have your old part out, you're just gonna need the back part. So you just pull this part off of it, and you're just gonna put the tabs back into here, here, there, and there. These tabs right here. These. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. You just push on them and you do that. It's kind of hard doing this shit with one hand. Alright, once you have them all out, just pop them back into these spots right here. And then just pop the cover back on. There you go. You can go back on the car now. Then you just tighten it back up with those 4 screws. You should be set. Alright guys, so here are the RTR vents on the car. So yeah, like I said, they stick up a little bit more than the stock ones from this part, and then it's like a flat black look as opposed to obviously the gloss white. But also just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on the car. So I did get the RTR vents. I also wrapped my mirror covers here in gloss black, and then you see that We got the Mbrp cap back as well. I'll put on some clips here real quick of the exhaust. I was gonna make a whole video installing the exhaust, but it was kind of hard due to me doing it by myself. But yeah, we got the exhaust on. We also got 5% tint all around, so no more fishbowl look. Like I said, we wrapped the mirrors, and then we got the RTR vents right there. I'll give you guys a little start here of the car with the new exhaust. So yeah, we finally got some noise. No more freaking quiet ass 5.0. But yeah, so now I'm looking for some wheels. So if you guys have any suggestions on some new wheels, drop it down in the comments. I was thinking maybe a drag pack, or just a nice set of wheels, and then probably doing a spoiler as well, and wrapping my roof. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick little update video on what I've done to the car. I've had it probably for about a month. But yeah, also going to be trying to get some runs with some people, because I know you guys like that racing content. But anyway, that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share with your friends, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.